Hello students, today we will do exercise of chapter 15, some natural phenomena. Okay, so let's start from question number 1. Which of the following cannot be changed easily by friction? Plastic scale, a copper rod, an inflated balloon, a balloon cloth. So the answer is a copper rod. Okay. Now question number 2. When a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk cloth, the cloth both acquires a positive charge, become positively charged while the cloth has a negative charge. The cloth both acquires a negative charge, become negatively charged while the cloth has a positive charge. So the answer is becomes positively charged while the cloth has a negative charge. Okay. Now question number 3. Write true against true and F against false in the following statement. So number A, like charges attract each other. This is false. A charged glass rod attract a charged plastic straw. Yes, this is true. Lightning conductor cannot protect a building from lightning. This is false. Lightning conductor जो है वो building को lightning से protect करता है. Okay. D. Earthquakes can be predicted in advance. This is also false. Earthquake पहले से predict नहीं किया जा सकता है. ठीक है. Now question number 4. Sometimes a crackling sound is heard while taking off a sweater during winters. Explain. So the electric discharge takes place between the body and the sweater due to friction. At the time of electric discharge, some energy is released. In this case, energy is released in the form of crackling sound. Okay. Now question number 5. Explain why a charged body loses its charge if we touch it with our hand. So the answer is human body is a conductor of electricity. When a charged body is touched with hand, our body conducts its charge to the earth. Hence, by this way, charged body loses its charges. Okay. Now question number 6. Name the scale on which the destructive energy of earthquake is measured. An earthquake measures 3 on this scale. Would it be recorded by a seismograph? Is it likely to cause much damage? So the answer is the destructive energy of an earthquake is measured on a scale called the Richter scale. Okay. Sorry, इसको Richter कहते हैं, है ना, Richter scale. Yes, it would be recorded by a seismograph because this scale has the reading from 1 to 10. No, it is not likely to cause much damage as earthquakes of magnitude higher than 5 is considered destructive in nature. ठीक है, तो अगर 3 है तो वो उतना डिस्ट्रक्शन नहीं करेगा. ये बताया जाता है कि 5 मैग्नीट्यूड का जो अर्थक्वेक होता है वो ज़्यादा डिस्ट्रक्टिव नहीं माना जाता है. ठीक है, वो डिस्ट्रक्शन ज़्यादा नहीं करता है, विनाश ज़्यादा नहीं करता है. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सजेस्ट 3 मेजर्स टू प्रोटेक्ट आवर सेल्फ फ्रॉम लाइटनिंग. सी द आंसर इज डू नॉट यूज टीवी और केबल फोन ड्यूरिंग लाइटनिंग, स्टे इंडोर और अंडर कवर्ड एरिया, एंड डोंट टेक बाथ ड्यूरिंग लाइटनिंग. ओके. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. Explain why a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon whereas an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon. So the answer is a charged balloon is repelled by another charged balloon because both carry same types of charges. On the other hand, an uncharged balloon is attracted by another charged balloon as they have opposite charges. We know that same charges repel and opposite charges attract each other. Okay. Now question number 9. Describe with the help of a diagram an instrument which can be used to detect a charged body. तो यहाँ देखें इंस्ट्रूमेंट हमने यहाँ पर बनाया है. ठीक है, जो बुक में दिया ही भी हुआ है तो इसे आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. Electroscope is a device which is used to detect detect the charge on a body. It works on the principle that like charges repel each other while unlike charges attract each other. It consists of a metal rod with thin metal strip or leaf attached to it at the bottom. At the top, the metal rod enters in a metallic cup or disc. The bottom of the rod and the metal leaf are enclosed in a glass box for protection. When the disc of the electroscope is touched with a charged ebonite or glass rod, the metal leaves open out or diverge. The extent of divergence depends upon the amount of charge on the electroscope. When the metal strips repel each other, proves that the body is charged because repulsion is the sure test to detect the body is charged or not through an electroscope. Okay. Now question number 10. List 3 states in India where earthquakes are more likely to strike. So the answer is Kashmir, Rajasthan and Gujarat. यहाँ ज़्यादातर earthquake आते हैं. ठीक है. Question number 11. Suppose you are outside your home and an earthquake strikes. What protection would you take to protect yourself? So the answer is we will take the following precautions to protect ourselves. First, move to open space. Find a clean spot away from buildings, trees and overhead power lines. Drop to the ground. Second, if we are in a car or a bus, will not come out. Drive slowly to a clear spot and remain it till the earthquake stops. Okay. Now question number 12. The weather department has predicted that a thunderstorm is likely to occur on a certain day. Suppose you have to go out on that day. Would you carry an umbrella? Explain. No, it is not advisable to carry an umbrella at all. Its metallic objects are more prone to lightning stroke. So an umbrella increases the risk. Okay. So here your chapter 15 is completed. Write in your fair copy.